Hi there, you're watching Market Cafe on ET Now with me, Shreyanshi Singh, and over the next few minutes, I'll get you news and updates from within the country as well as across the globe. Also tell you which stocks you should be keeping on your radar as well. But first things first, let's take a look at the handover coming in from the Wall Street as well as what the year has been like for Wall Street. Now, the S&P 500 has surged more than 23.8%, putting it solidly on pace for its second consecutive gain above 20%. When you take a look at the Dow as well, in terms of the year-to-date move that we've seen, that has also added nearly 13%, while the Nasdaq Composite is the one that has outperformed with a 29.8% advance as well. So that's what the year looks like for Wall Street in terms of what 2024 looks like. But despite the strong year-to-date performance, though, you do have Wall Street entering the final day of the year on a sour note as the market has lost some of its momentum in the last few sessions. So December has been a weak stretch for equities as investors take some profits in some of 2024's biggest winners then, and fears also mount over rising rates into year-end. Now, you do have the loss in momentum that has also dashed investor hopes for a Santa Claus rally. That is something that we've been talking about for a while, which occurs when the market rises during each of the 5 final trading days of a calendar year and the first 2 trading days as well of January. Now, when you take a look at the Dow, that finished Monday's choppy trading session with a loss exceeding 480 points. So just about 1% thereabout coming in for the Dow as well. The S&P 500 as well plunged about 1%. Nasdaq also shed over 1.1% is the kind of loss that you're looking at least when it comes to Nasdaq as well. The market, of course, is closed on Wednesday for New Year's Day, but that largely is the kind of handover that we're looking at on a daily as well as a year-to-date basis. As we wrap up the year for Wall Street, but let's also get you a quick check then going on oil prices then, because oil prices did settle higher on Monday in thin trade. Now, of course, the trading was thin due to the truncated week and the volumes were low, and that is something that we've been looking at in terms of a range-bound trade coming in since October as well for oil prices, but investors are betting on a drop in temperatures across the US as well as Europe over the coming weeks to boost diesel demand as well. So that is something that we're looking at. When you take a look at price moves though, you're looking at Brent crude having an uptick of just about 22 cents or 0.3% thereabout. $74 a barrel is the kind of level that you're looking at, and the more active March contract then settle around that $73 a barrel mark as well. Uptick of 20 cents is what you're seeing there as well. But let's also take a quick look then at natural gas prices, because they're the ones that surged, hitting a new 52-week high following reports of a colder than usual temperature outlook for January as well. So that's largely the kind of...
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.